Hi, my name is Brian Baker, and I am the CEO and designer and developer of the My Club Lives reservation system. The best fit for My Club Lives is with clubs that have multiple venues, such as tennis, swimming, and fitness, that now, more than previously, have to be planned and reserved to assure that guidelines about social distancing and shared equipment are observed. Well, situations like COVID pandemic can incent a club to adopt expediencies. The lasting value of a change in interface with members is measured by whether it improves the efficiency and effectiveness within the club and can help change bad member experiences into good ones. The two meld together to help grow a feeling of engagement and belonging by club members. It was with these two objectives that My Club Lives reservations and member engagement system was built. Let's take a look at the interfaces that we have with the members, in particular in the form of reservations. There are three kinds of reservations that the system promotes. One are scheduled, instant, and club events. Scheduled reservations are designed to allow all the members to have equal opportunity to get a court. It is the antithesis to first come, first serve, which favors the people who master the current system using the phone or other mechanisms to get first dibs. Instead, the members put in their requests and an algorithm runs weekly that then balances the load and assigns the members. An important qualifier on the scheduled reservations. Not all courts need to be scheduled. Not do all time slots on a scheduled courts need to be included. It is designed to allow management to identify high demand times on specific sets of courts and then use an equitable method to allocate them. For example, if courts or swim lanes 1 and 2 are exceptionally busy from 9 a.m. to noon, those courts or lanes can be scheduled from 9 until noon and then be open for instant reservations the rest of the day. Instant reservations refer to those reservations that are available on a first-come, first-serve. That is, any open court that was not assigned as a result of the scheduled reservation. This is first-come, first-serve, and it's an easy process for a member on the browser just to click on Open. On the app, you can perform 3 different operations on reservations. When you first click on the reservations, it will show you your current reservations that you have outstanding and the status of them. The second function, when you click the plus sign, is it will show you all open courts or swim lanes for the current day. This is so that in case you decide suddenly that you want to play, but you want to make a quick look to see what's available at the club, you just click on that plus, it'll show you everything that's available, and then if you decide to take it, you just click on the box corresponding to the time slot that you want, and it will make an instant reservation for you. The third function is after you have seen what's available today, the 3 bars there will allow you then to access and query to see what's available anytime during the cycle. So you can then pick the venue you want. You can pick the date into that cycle, which is usually about a week, and the time that you want. And then what it will do is it will display for you the unreserved courts or swim lanes that are available for that particular time frame. Once you've clicked it, it'll ask you to confirm. You say OK, and you're done. You can also, on the browser, when you're done, you can very quickly just look at any reservations that you've had as well as your history. And if you have a reservation outstanding that needs to be confirmed, you can click on it and have it confirmed instantly. Club events are a little different in that club events tend to be group events. So rather than an individual or two reserving a swim lane or a tennis court, you have a group that are participating in an event, which could be a fitness class, a yoga, any number of different classes where you have members that sign up. This would also include instructions, conceivably. Club calendar is put together by the administrator, and then it is published and available for users to see in different formats. In terms of the app itself, the club event is available. They've set up a date range that they're interested in, and then they can actually do a filter to pick what kind of event am I looking for. So if I want to see when it is that there are yoga classes, I can just click on yoga as a type. And if I want to do a Zoom class, you'll see where it will say it's virtual, along with an asterisk, which means that the class is online with a Zoom link associated with it when I click on it. I can then register for those classes by just clicking register. You can do the same thing with the browser. You just see it a little bit differently in more of a grid. And one thing you can do also when you've registered for an event, you can then opt to go back and forth between show me just events that I've signed up for or show me all events. And finally, there's a feature that helps club members find each other to play. There's something else that has disappeared or is disappearing from the everyday club, and that is the use of the front desk. With social distancing and no real gathering at the club, it makes it difficult to put laptops or any other device up on the front desk to find out what, if any, reservations you have. So what are the alternatives? Well, we have what we call contactless check-in. It uses barcode and a scanner so that the member essentially is using a front desk like function without needing the social contact. Just hold up your app next to the code and voila, it checks you in. And then just click check in. It will tell you also the lane that you're in, so everything is set. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email at brianb229@gmail.com. And also check out the other videos on scheduling as well as on club events. Thank you again. Bye-bye.